right now, with all of this said, we're ready to get started into this guided hypnotic meditation. So it's one for success. So if you are ready, so today what we're doing is the last 15-minute part. Okay, right now this small portion is called the transformation, and it's a tiny example of what RTT can do to transform your life. This today is just going to kind of give you a little bit of relaxation within your body. And if you listen to the audio of this recording for 21 days in a row, it's actually going to heal your mind and change your life. So this is really just a sneak peek as to what rapid transformational therapy really is. And so get ready, because we're about to get started. Okay, so begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a deep, deep breath in. So all the way. And slowly release it. You want to get into that breathing habit of taking a deep breath in all the way in. Hold it at the top and slowly release it. So now that we've got you on that rhythm, you're trying to let go of any tension in your body or distractions. And you want to focus on the sound of my voice. Okay? So when you're ready, either lying or sitting with your hands uncrossed and your feet not quite touching, just look up into your own eyebrows like this. Okay? It's going to hurt a bit under here and a bit up here. That's what you want. Okay? So now that you're looking into your own eyebrows like that, okay, you're going to keep them up as if you're glued to a real or imagined spot above you. So keep your eyebrows up like that. You're still breathing in and out deeply. So I want you to breathe in deeply and out deeply. And every time you blink, that's hypnosis coming upon you. So again, just keep your eyeballs rolled up and as if you're trying to look into that real or imagined spot. And again, just breathe in and out. And one final time, breathe in and hold it. And as your eyeballs are still rolled up, I want you to close your eyelids right down, all the way down. That's perfect. So now as your eyelids shut down, the muscles and nerves in and around your eyes are becoming heavy, droopy, drowsy. Your eyelids, well, they're glued, shut, sealed shut, locked tight. And you can now forget all about your eyes and that fluttering feeling. That just allow it to take over your body. Allow your eyes to relax, your mind to relax. Just relax. And let yourself enter a state of deep relaxation. So imagine a warm, comforting light enveloping your body. It's soothing every muscle and releasing any stress or worries. As you continue to relax, imagine yourself in a sense of peaceful place, a serene, peaceful place, somewhere you feel completely at ease. Imagine that you are sitting in a beautiful garden surrounded by vibrant flowers and the calming presence of an animal, whichever one you like. Just a calming presence. We'll choose a cat for me. Now this animal, it represents your inner wisdom and your intuition. It's guiding you towards financial success and towards love. And you can feel its gentle purring vibrations, bringing you a sense of tranquility and balance. So now as you deepen your relaxations, I want you to imagine a staircase in front of you. Each step you take will guide you further into a state of relaxation. So with each count from 10 to 1, I want you to imagine yourself descending a staircase, feeling more relaxed and peaceful with each and every step. So with each step down, you release any remaining tension and anxiety, allowing yourself to sink deeper into that state of profound relaxation. As you reach the bottom of the staircase, you will find yourself in a luxurious room filled with golden light. Now this room is going to symbolize your inner wealth, and abundance. So let's head towards that room. So now, as you enter this room of abundance where you are ready to embrace positive suggestions that's going to transform your life, we're working together to release the stress, anxiety, and cultivate financial success and love. So as you take step 10, picture yourself surrounded by a vibrant energy that fills every cell in your being. This energy actually represents the newfound confidence and resilience that lies within you. You take step 9 and you visualize yourself achieving your goals effortlessly. On step 8, you find yourself attracting abundance and financial prosperity into your life. You take step 7 and you see yourself making wise financial decisions. Feeling calm and empowered as you manage your money wisely, creating a secure and prosperous future. You're moving on to step 6 and 5, and you notice how every day you become more aware of the abundance around you. You take step 4 and you begin to appreciate the small blessings in your life and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. You take step 3, and by focusing on gratitude, you attract more opportunities for growth, success, and financial abundance. You're at step 2, and you see yourself expressing gratitude for those that you love and support the flows into your life. Lots of support is now flowing into your life. You're nurturing deep, meaningful connections with others now. You now take step 1, and you have arrived to all the answers and abundance meant for you. You're in that beautiful, big, glowing room of gold. And as you continue on this journey of self-improvement, you release any limiting beliefs that may have held you back in the past. You understand that you are deserving of success, happiness, and wealth. You let go of any negative thoughts or doubts, replacing them with empowering beliefs that support your vision of a prosperous life. You feel a sense of clarity and purpose as you align your thoughts, your emotions, your actions with your goals. You're taking steps, inspiring steps towards financial success and love, guided by your inner wisdom and intuition. And just like that animal in the garden, you trust in your ability to attract and manifest abundance effortlessly, knowing that you are a magnet to prosperity and love. And so you know these statements to be true to you. I am prosperous and abundant being. Money is a positive force in my life, allowing me to fulfill my dreams and desires. I attract effortlessly and joyfully all the wealth I can handle. Abundance is my birthright, and I claim it fully. I am open and receptive to multiple streams of income. Opportunities to increase my wealth come to me easily and frequently. And every day, in every way, I become more financially abundant, and my wealth expands exponentially. I have a millionaire mindset and make wise financial choices. I am a master at managing and multiplying my wealth. I release all scarcity and lack from my consciousness. I embrace the limitless abundance that the universe provides. I am aligned with the vibration of abundance. I attract wealth, success, and prosperity in all areas of my life. Money flows to me easily from unexpected sources. I'm always in the right place at the right time to receive financial abundance. I am a money magnet. My positive energy attracts wealth and opportunities for financial growth. I am worthy of receiving immense wealth. I allow myself to enjoy the fruits of my labor and live an abundant life. I am grateful for the wealth and abundance that surrounds me. My gratitude attracts even more prosperity into my life. I am a successful entrepreneur, investor, creator, professional, and my financial success is inevitable. I release any fear of resistance I have towards money. I welcome financial abundance, and I use it to create a positive impact. I am financially free. My wealth provides me with my peace of mind, freedom, and the ability to live life on my own terms. I am a money-conscious individual. I attract and manifest financial opportunities that align with my values and my purpose. I am open to receiving infinite abundance from the universe. And the more I give, the more I receive. And I know this to be true with love. The more love I give to this world, the more I receive. My financial goals, my goals for love, my goals for life are all achievable. And I take consistent action to manifest them. I am unstoppable in creating the life I want. I release any negative beliefs about money, and I embrace a mindset of abundance. I am deserving of limitless financial prosperity. I attract supportive and prosperous relationships that contribute to my wealth. Together, we rise and achieve great success. I am a wealth creator. I use my resources wisely and invest in opportunities that multiply my wealth exponentially. I am a magnet for abundance in all areas of my life. And these affirmations affirm that I naturally attract abundance and prosperity in various aspects of my life, including finances, relationships, and all opportunities. I release any limiting beliefs about money and embrace a mindset of abundance. This affirmation helps me to let go of any negative and restrictive beliefs I may hold about money, and instead I adopt a mindset of abundance, openness, and possibilities. I am worthy of receiving abundant blessings and opportunities. And this affirmation affirms to me that I am deserving of the abundance that life has to offer. It affirms my self-worth and opens me up to receiving the blessings, the opportunities that come my way. So now as I count from 1 to 5, you will gradually emerge from this relaxed state feeling energized, confident, and ready to embrace the abundant opportunities that await you. On 1, you feel powerful, you feel energized. 2, you start coming back to full awareness. 3, you take a deep breath in and stretch, and you know you are a powerful, powerful powerhouse. And we are at 5. You open your eyes, you're feeling refreshed and optimistic, knowing that you have the power to be the best self and to live a life fulfilled with money and abundance. So it's done, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Shake it off a little bit if it made you groggy. Some people it does, some people it doesn't. Hypnosis is different for everybody. I'm glad you stuck around for that, guys. If you're actually serious about unleashing the power within your mind and tapping into the abundance of financial success and love, then you need to kind of take action today, right? This hypnosis script is the key to unlocking your full potential. But here's the deal. You have to actually commit to it, right? This is not for the faint of heart, like I had said earlier, okay? So don't be a loser and do whatever, the doable stuff, and give up at the first sign of discomfort, okay? This is for winners here, and only winners, people who want to become winners, right? For those who are willing to put in the work and see it through to the end, okay? Because I'm telling you right now, this is not a quick fix. You cannot just do this once today. You can't just listen to this audio right now and think, oh, that's all I had to do is one time and done. No, I'm not a freaking miracle worker, and you shouldn't expect miracles. Life doesn't work that way, okay? You've got to immerse yourself into this. Embrace it. Make it a part of your new lifestyle, your daily routine, okay? For the next 21 days straight, you need to listen to this audio that we just created together and keep it seeping into your subconscious mind. Repetition matters, okay? And that's where the real change happens, my friends. So do not let this opportunity slip through your fingers.